I don't know about you, but when you've got young kids, I feel like trying to get them to bed is just, it takes forever. Like we start to time it, like put a timer on. It's really annoying.
It drains everything from you.
I know, and they just pull out all the stops, including something like this too.
No, I don't want to play peekaboo. No, no peekaboo. No!
Oh.
No,
He wants to play peekaboo.
No, no, no peekaboo. Nope, it's time to go night-night. No.
This is not real.
And then he is playing peekaboo.
I know.
I bet they will. Tell them, okay, fine. Peekaboo.
Wait, listen to this.
Peekaboo.
No.
Oh my God. Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.